Omnivore 3.5 introduced several new features to expedite your video evidence workflows. First, we've added a new Select a Function window so that users can get right to work recovering, processing, or screen capturing video evidence. We've also added a new FFmpeg Convert preview player that makes trimming video sources super simple using standard navigation controls. Speaking of trimming, Omnivore 3.5 introduced lossless trimming in FFmpeg Convert. Simply check the trim checkbox, open the new preview player to mark your in and out points, and click OK. Finally, the lossless trim checkbox needs to be selected to trim your source without re-encoding it. Users can losslessly trim any FFmpeg supported file. Omnivore's updated FFmpeg XML viewer now includes a text search option, and users can simply drag and drop their XML files to open them. Last but not least is the all-new Omnivore FieldKit viewer in version 3.5, which not only provides better performance, it now stores digital sources directly to file as opposed to screen capturing them. In the office, in the lab, or in the field, Omnivore is a must-have tool for anyone viewing or processing video evidence. Visit our website to learn more.